it's cool. Nice. And there's my brother, he's doing the same. Nice.
Just go to the office.
What I do?
Go, just go.
What I
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I'd like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me want to dribble dribble. Riding in my Fiat, you really have to see it. 6'2" in a compact.
I actually do cuss a little.
What's your favorite curse word?
Probably fuck.
Let me add a little bit of spice to that.
Yo, bro, who got you smiling like that? Mad happy. Hell, Chad. Yo.
Oh, hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?